What is good? What is good? What is good? Kingsley Joshua, Trey Lord himself, come to you live. And we're on video 17, right? Let's check. Let's check. Let's check. Let's check. Let's check. Yep, we're on video 17. As you can see, we've been killing it. And it's all in here, buddy. All 16 videos in there. About to be 17 videos. Let's get it. Let's get it. So I want to start on USD JPY. I mean Euro USD, and I also want to say this too. I am done. I am done for this week. I'm not taking any more setups, even though there's valid setups to take. I am done for this week, and let's get into that. Mhm. Here we go. Yeah, I'm done for this week. But and by the way, this week, the 23rd to the 26th, 27th, where the hell? And this is where we at. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 wins in a row. So yeah, it's just about close to $500. Well, close to that. But good shit. Good shit. We made our profit, our account back, and we're now back at break even with a little bit in profit with some interest. And next week we can start fresh and shit, get to that 400 and withdraw. You feel me? Um, just like we did this week, and we made $400. All right. um, but yeah, let's get into it. Euro USD. As you can see here, we did had this big win, and we have a mini win here. Yes, this is valid to take another mini win. We'll risking $100 to make $50. But I'm not taking that trade because I'm done, right? Market came up, broke structure. So this is deleted. And then once this setup is done, you want to go to the higher time frames. You want to make sure everything's correct. Monthly is good, weekly is good, right? Now 4 hour is a little jacked. I mean daily and 4 hours a little jacked up. So let's correct those right now, right? So yes, this is daily's correct. We have the low here. Last two confirmation was here, and this is the highest point, right to the right, right? Beautiful, because this candle's by itself blue. And then we go to the 4 hour. And 4 hour, we got, hold on here. In the 4 hour, we had this low, right? So now this low is the new low. Thanks to that being the new low, our two candle formation has changed, right? Because we have a new two candle formation over here, disregarding this one, right? Because we surpassed that low. So I'm moving this thing down, and to confirm, that's a two candle formation over here because it's close to it. You can always do the cursor. Remember, use these numbers. And we got the cursor and these numbers. The open and the close is two different numbers. So that's two candles, right? Bullish, and this to the right is the highest point. And there you have it. That's the 4-hour break of structure, right? So currently now we got to go like this, right? Monthly is down structure, weekly is down structure, daily is down structure, right? So that's 3 out of the 4 horsemen. Now I just gotta make sure the 4-hour is in down structure, and we are in 4-hour down structure. As long as the 4-hour remains down structure, then we can approach on the 1-hour, look for cells, right? Right? And 4-hour break of structure, since this is the highest point, because this is the low. Last 2 candle formation was here. We broke structure on the 1-hour. So we're up structure. This is the highest point. Last 2 candle formation was here. So we have point A. And we have point B, which is the high. Right? And what are we waiting for? 1-hour break of structure. Right? Let me say 1-hour break of structure. Then set actually we're not taking this because I'm not trading until next week basically. So just let's say 1 hour, wait for 1-hour break of structure, and then we could set things up. But yeah, if this trade doesn't go active next week, yes, I possibly will trade it and see what we get. But right now we got home advantage, right? Home advantage is why like we're up. We're definitely up for the whole entire week. We're up, right? We could stop here. We let these trades play out, right? Wherever says all happen, play out. So that's done on this pair, right? We can go to USD CAD. We're waiting for we're waiting for this break of structure on the 4-hour. Right now we're chilling out. This is a different setup that I have going on right now. I have it on a challenge account that I'm doing right now, 25K account, and that's what I'm doing right now with what do you call it, funding pips. AUD USD, we're still in this 1-hour structure. We're just waiting for a 1-hour continuation, and we're skipping this setup. So the reason why we're skipping this setup easily, we had this win and double wins right here. That's the pattern we're looking for, right? And then after that, I'm looking for we have another mini win here. So if we get another one, a mini win, like 4, then I'll be looking to take the setup the right way, and I'm looking for one of these to happen. So I'll be risking 1 to make 2 now if I get another one. And if I get a full one again, then we're gonna do the same pattern again until we get the pattern again, right? GBP USD, same thing that we're doing on the not really the same thing, but it's we're waiting for down structure on the 1-hour, which is currently what's going on right here. And reason why we're risking 25 to make 50, we're going the right way because this is exactly what I was just talking about. I had this mini win, this mini win, this mini win, this mini win, right? And this mini win over here. Hold on. This one. After this big one. So I'm expecting now for another big one of these, and it's been a while. So we had this mini win, and then bunch of irrelevance, right? And then we had a mini win, and then we had another mini win, and then another mini win. So I have 4 in a row. So I'm gonna start light, risk 25 to make 50. If this trade loses, I'm gonna risk 50 to make 100. If that trade loses, I'm gonna risk 100 to make 200. And if that trade loses, I'm gonna risk 200 to make 400. It's really that simple. And trust me, probabilities wise, we're gonna get one of those to hit. And when all I need is one of those to hit, and we're back up in profit. It doesn't matter how many losses you take. And that's how I play the game, man. And that's GBP USD, where we're just waiting for the cake. USD CHF, we have a continuation here. So I gotta go to the 4 hour. Make sure I'm always on the I'm on the 4 hour if I'm to deal with the 4 hour lines, right? So you don't want to get confused, because sometimes you get confused. You had these lines and you're on the 1 hour and you're like, oh, here's here and here's here. Like, no, you don't do that. If you're moving the blue line, I gotta make sure I'm on the 4 hour so I can see clearly what's going on. So this is the new high. Last 2 count formation was here. So this is the lowest point to the right. So move this up to here. And that is the new breaker structure on the 1 hour, on the 4 hour on USD CHF. And the low here that matched up precisely is 574. So I got to do 574 right there. And then we're clear. So if this thing comes down, we know we're validly breaking structure, right? And then we could take action. And here, what are we doing? 4 hour breaker structure, all is aligned, set Robin trap the wrong way, risking $200 to make $100. Why is that? Well, we had this big win here. It's time for some mini wins, right? And then I also can go back even further for deeper, right? So I had this 2 mini wins here and a big win. And then there's a big win over here. So big win, 2 mini wins, big win. I'm expecting 2 mini wins. But you might get another big win, and that's it. That's it. And then we just play it out. So that's what's going on currently on this chart. And the reason why I trade so many different pairs, I trade about 11 different pairs, is because we're dealing with the 4 hour, the daily, the weekly, the monthly, the 1 hour. Shit takes time. And I don't got time to be waiting. Like, dude, if I was waiting for this one pair, I would have not gotten nothing of this done. Right? So when people be on the, so I had a guy on a comment from the last video. He said about dealing with one pair, right? Yeah, say this is your one pair, and you gotta wait for 4 hour to break structure. This is you gotta be doing a lot of waiting. You know, be doing a lot of waiting when you could be taking action on different other pairs. And this strategy works on everything. Everything. It works on Bitcoin. It can definitely work on US30. It work on anything. You just gotta have the probabilities. The big factor of the strategy, probabilities. It's all about the past data. That's why I keep everything on my charts. And if you're doing this, on the your phone, you're not doing yourself good justice. You gotta be on your chart. Like if you're on the charts, you gotta have your laptop. You gotta be on it. And then what you can do is, because when I approach work, I'd set my alerts, and then I go on my mini chart. When that alert sets, I'm on the MT4 on my phone, and I'm doing the fib exactly what I need to do, matching up the prices, knowing my stop loss, and boom, taking action. I'm doing action on site. And I did a couple of these. I did definitely this trade. This trade right here was definitely at my job, and we nailed it. That was the highest trade. And I set up the computers, so I set the alerts, I set the traps, the booby traps, and then when I go about my day, booby traps get hit. It's time to take action. I stop what I'm doing, wherever I'm doing. If I'm busy at work, I hit the bathroom. I gotta put in this trade. I'm dedicated like that. You gotta be dedicated. Um, so get yourself a laptop. If you don't got a laptop, get yourself a laptop. Get yourself TradingView. TradingView Pro is 100% worth it. You're investing in yourself. You got the bar replay and everything, and you can even do these recordings. It's worth it. I love TradingView, and that's not a promotion. um, but it's the only chart that I do my charts on. I don't do my charts on these charts right here. Like, nah, I'm loyal to my TradingView. Yes, I can mark these charts up just as well, but it's not the same. It doesn't hit the same. And I got my data all here. I know exactly what I'm gonna do, and that's how I got these results. Right? Why we didn't take a loss today? Because we played with the probabilities. I take the most high probability setup and go. So waiting for a 4-hour break of structure. Right now, we're still in down structure. For this one, we're skipping this setup, but this is an active setup, right? And it is now. This is also you had this win, right? Too many wins. After too many wins, you're risking 200 to make 100 on here. Nail it. You're risking 100 to make $50 on here. Nail it. So you make $150 or wherever you doing, risking 2% to make 1%, and then 1% to make 0.5%. It's just like that. If you don't, and that's just something I will do on the funded and trading accounts and challenge accounts really quick to tell you that. But yeah, that's exactly what you'd be looking for. And this pair, this is another thing I'm skipping. See, yeah, this would have been a pair that because you had this mini win, this big win, mini win, and this will you be going for the risking the $100 to make $50. And you'd be currently in drawdown right now if I was in this trade. But now I have home advantage, right? So this is a trade that I'm really supposed to be in, but I'm not because we already made what we want for the week and we're leaving. We're leaving the markets, right? So now I have the home advantage. Get to watch what this trade is all do, right? So I'll do one of two things: come down, hit the TP, or come up and hit the stop loss. And it does that. Okay, next trade I can risk 200 to make $100, and the probabilities on that winning is a lot higher. That's simple. It's that simple. Or if I want to be very, very cautious, I can risk $100 to make it $50. And on the next setup. Either way. But most likely, see how it's doing it right now. This is live. This is live market right here. It's ripping against you. If I was in this setup, I'd be looking to lose $100, and something I didn't want to do, and that's why I'm staying out the market. Happy with the market gave me, staying out. Happy with the market gave me, stay out. You do a nice four wins in a row in a day, and you have a 5-win streak right here. I'm up basically 8%. Look, I'm up 8%, right? Look, 8% on the $6,000 account, right? This week. So, yeah. And I'll end it here. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys take notes. Go back and watch the other videos and look out for the new